Hey y'all, so we got a package. Let's open it up and see what it is. This shit look like some FBI. This is like body packaging. Here we. By y'all just seeing this, y'all should know what it is. We finna open her. Let's see. Oh, hell yeah. I got some. I got some new markers. Yuri. Yuri. Oh my god, I'm definitely finna use like I'm gonna do a couple swatches of the browns because that was the main reason why I got this. Because of the browns that I have in my markers, it looks black. I remember when I first tried to color some shit brown and it was pitch black. That's not brown. So I'm gonna swatch the browns real quick and we're gonna see something. Alright, so far these are the browns. These ones, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like because I don't like the browns that look like I don't like the browns that look too black because that's gonna mess up what I'm trying to go for. So low key, those ones I don't like. So I'm gonna make sure I keep this paper and I write the name of those browns so I don't end up mistakenly using them. But yeah, that was my little marker haul, and I'm gonna definitely be using these. So yeah, and if y'all wanted to know, I got this case. I got this set from TEMU.